Maranata Aplasca, born August 22, 1963, is a Filipino former police officer who served as the acting Sergeant-at-Arms of the Senate of the Philippines from May 11 to May 15, 2026, a position he previously held in an official capacity from July 2025 to February 2026. He served as the administrator of the Office for Transportation Security under the Department of Transportation from 2022 to 2023, and as the Sergeant-at-Arms of the House of Representatives of the Philippines from 2020 to 2021. Aplasca was born in Mako, Davao Oro on August 22, 1963. He graduated in Mako Heights Central Elementary School in 1976 and Mako Marinol High School in 1980 for his elementary and high school education, respectively. In 1987, he obtained a degree in Bachelor of Science in Management major in Security Studies in the Philippine Military Academy PMA. Aplasca was appointed as the director of the Philippine National Police PNP Aviation Security Group in 2016 and director of the Police Regional Office for A in 2017. He was elevated to the position of Director for Operations in April 2018. He retired from service on August 22, 2019. On October 12, 2020, Aplasca was elected as the new Sergeant-at-Arms of the House of Representatives to replace Raymond Apolinario during an assembly of congressmen allied with Lord Alan Velasco, whom they installed as House Speaker on the same day in a special session at the Celebrity Sports Plaza in Quezon City amid a crisis in the speakership. He resigned from the post less than 2 months later on December 6, 2021, and was succeeded by retired Police Brigadier General Rodelio Jackson. On the opening of the 20th Congress in July 2025, Aplasca was elected Sergeant-at-Arms of the Senate upon being nominated by Senator Ronald De La Rosa, a batchmate of his in the PMA. He was succeeded by Edgardo Rene Samonte in February 2026 and was subsequently elected Sergeant-at-Arms of the Commission on Appointments. Aplasca was designated as the acting Sergeant-at-Arms of the Senate on May 11, 2026, upon the resignation of Samonte, amidst the attempted arrest of Senator Ronald De La Rosa on the same day after agents of the National Bureau of Investigation, NBI, and former Senator Antonio Trillanes came to the Senate to implement an alleged warrant of the International Criminal Court, ICC, against De La Rosa for his role in the Duterte administration's war on drugs. His reinstatement was moved by De La Rosa himself and approved by a majority of the senators. He gained widespread media coverage for being involved in the shootout between members of the office of the Sergeant-at-Arms and armed men attempting to enter the Senate building, reported to have been perceived NBI agents, in a renewed effort to arrest De La Rosa. Aplasca was suspended by the Office of the Ombudsman from his duties on May 15, 2026. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.